open this thing up and see what we have, what these bees have done in the second box. Put that there. Take this there. We do have some ant problems up over here, which is my fault for spilling sugar. The feed's pretty much done. Well, these guys are really going at it. There's really not much in there, so I don't know what they're eating on, but they're very interested in it today, which is good. I added the other feeder because they hadn't been so interested in it. Let's see. Got a good clump of bees on the bottom here. Just checking for the queen. You guys can see all those bees. We'll stick them over here. How are we doing up here? No comb. So this one, which had comb before, it's just syrup basically and some pollen. They had started that. I wish they had drawn this out a little bit more. They have drawn out a little bit on the back side of this one. We got nothing in this frame. Looks like they've drawn out some comb there, which is looking good. Not a lot. Tiny little bit, little tiny piece over here. This is, you know, this is only about 2 weeks old. So it's gonna take them a while. It looks like this frame though, they are drawing out. And he just stung through my glove. I didn't get stung, but my glove got stung. A little stinger right there. Look at that. Sugar syrup, all sugar syrup. All sugar syrup. Looking good. Some pollen in there too. Not really anything. They're starting to draw it out on this side. We've had a lot of cold weather here lately. We were in the 80s, and then we went back into the 40s. They can smell that. I don't have smoke, but they can smell that sting pheromone on my glove. Yep. I mean, this looks like they're starting to draw it out. That's what I'm kind of seeing here. Is they're starting to draw it out. That's why there's all these bees up here. There weren't nearly as many bees the last time we inspected this hive and the top level. Nothing there, nothing there. And then on the end here, they got that. And they got a little bit there. So I'm gonna put that on the outside. So not too bad. Not too bad so far. Now we need to take this box off and see what we got going on downtown. And this box, I think, this next box is 30 days. We've had it 30 days since the package of bees. Let's see how drawing this out. This is really the question right here. So it'd be nice if they drew that out a little bit more. This one on the end isn't drawn out at all either. They're just sticking these things together. That was pretty much my fault for providing them with crappy foundations to begin with. But they are doing good now. Cap brood, sugar stores. This is all sugar stores at the top. We got some larvae down here at the bottom, right there. Other side, capped and open brood. Like the queen's been laying some more here. Let's see if I see her. I do not see her. Oops. Let's check out the next one. I think this one's doing a little dance right here, telling people where to go, where to get the good nectar. Capped. All these bees in here hatched. So this was all capped, and it's all hatched out, which is great. We got some more over here. Sugar stores up here. Nice pollen up there. Cap brood. This is the next batch of bees that are going to be born. Cap brood. Some more that have been born. Pollen. Yeah, they're definitely doing good. Haven't seen Belinda yet. She's usually on one of these middle frames. We can get in here. Nice cap brood. Look at that. We're definitely making bees now. This side is. They're starting to fill it in, but this brood area isn't looking super good. Just how they drew it out. This is more drawn out. This side they've drawn out real nice. This is all fairly new. Still haven't seen Belinda, which either I missed her or she's out on one of these frames. So this frame still needs to be drawn out. They're doing not a very good job of it. Let's see what we got out here. Lots of sugar water. Again, sugar water and pollen. They're drawing this out. It's still kind of crazy the way they drew it out. In this frame, same thing. They're drawing that out a little bit, so that's nice. So it's not too bad. They're actually doing really good. Would have been nice to find Belinda, but I'm not going to worry about it. They're doing really good as far as I can tell.